are live at Pizza Putt, and we are here with birthday cousins. Birthday girl, she is 3. Birthday cousin, she is 2. And we are going to be cats.
I don't want to miss this, but I do anyway.
We're gonna be cats. It's gonna be pretty. Okay, close your eyes. I'm gonna sparkle this little kitten. Whoa! Now, baby's turn. She's gonna be cat.
Are they gonna be the same thing? Yeah, they're gonna be the same thing. How do you know? Because she's going her face.
2 white cats. But can you close your eyes so we can sparkle? Can you close them? You can't? Okay, I'll do it this way because you're little.
Yeah.
You're little. We'll do it that way.
Yep.
Mila's gonna do it too, but I got on the train real late and just so far behind in the line. Oh yeah. Hanging out here all day.
Should blush.
Why'd I say that?
Look at the floor.
Okay, tiger teeth. Can you put your chin up? Okay, this is your paintbrush and this is your paintbrush for your lipstick, okay? Lipstick. Lipstick. Sparkles. Sparkles. Here's your eyeshadow.
You girls are doing so well. My little key cat. Your nose. Don't touch. Look at me, girls.
Okay, birthday girl. Will you gently close your eyes so you're going to have a little bit smooth eyes, smooth eyes.
Oh my god! One of them is getting different. Guess what?
I don't know.
careful, it might be wet. You don't want to wreck
so
it.
Cool, Kenna. You're like a wonderful little kitty cat.
Yes. Okay, whiskers. Oh, I need black. One, two, three. Oops. 1, 2, 3. Can you turn this way? Turn your head this way. Good girl. Presenting the beautiful, magical, one and only Kitty Cousins at the party. Kitty 1, Kitty 2. Okay, put your little heads together.